Welcome to another episode of Digital Nomad Ventures. Today I'm showing you around the Chiang Mai Coconut Plantation Market. Boy, that's a mouthful. It's right here in Chiang Mai, and it's open Saturday, Sunday, closes at noon. Beautiful day, beautiful weather, lots of people, cheap, delicious food. I just got a coconut milk drink for 20 baht. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be showing you around the market today. Beautiful place, lots of coconut trees, got like green water here, and as you can see, it's really busy. There's a lot of Thai people here. They come here on the weekend, and yeah, really nice place. Sawadee. Okay. Thank you. Kambuka. Wow. We're just starting in the morning and need a good coffee. This place looks great. Brothers Coffee. Cappuccino, cold for only 45 baht. They have signature coffees as well. Just one iced cappuccino. Thank you.
Just one pizza?
Yes. Okay. It's a beautiful day. Hello. And we're walking around getting some food. I just ordered a coffee. They have a lot of food stalls around here. It's only open Saturday and Sunday, I think from about 8 until noon. So you want to make sure to get here soon, early in the morning. And this place is very popular. There's a lot of Thai people here. And I'm just going to be showing you around the market today. We're going to order some food and just look around, see what there is to see. Avocado ice cream.
We have ice cream also.
Oh, that's pretty good. Mmm. Yum. Yeah. Sawadee. So cool. Wow. Look at this. Sawadee. What do they have here? Mmm, looks delicious. Wow. Oh, what? They have goats here too. I guess they have goat ice cream and you get it straight from these goats. It's an organic farm. What? Hello. Oh. Look at this. And you can feed the goats too, like this little kid is doing right here. Look at that. What? Very cool. Ooh, what do we have here? Looks good.
Oh,
yeah.
มาไกลมาจากญี่ปุ่น
Ooh.
พอมาถึงปุ๊บอาจารย์มาติดโควิดอาจารย์ติดโควิดไป2 เดือนกว่าจะได้สอนเขาเดือนที่ 3
What is this?
เรียนเดือนที่ 4ที่เริ่มได้ขาย
Oh, okay.
Japanese.
A Japanese food. You want to try one of these, Mary? It looks pretty good. Look at this. Yeah. 40 baht?
40 baht.
40 baht. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Look at this. Oh, here we go. And then the egg goes on top. Ooh. That looks really good. And then he drizzles some sauce over top of it. Ooh. Okay. Kombucha. Thank you very much. Look at that. Looks really good.
Thank you very much.
Kombucha. Thank you. Oh, they're cooking up some pad thai here. 45 baht for a pad thai. Sweaty cup. Looks delicious. Maybe I'll come back later. I have to eat this first before I get more food. See if we can find a place to eat. Right over here. So you can just sit here and eat and enjoy. They've got some nice music playing right here amidst the coconut trees. I'm trying this Japanese dish, which has sushi in it with an egg on top. Oh, that's really good. It's pretty salty, a little bit sweet. And it has sausage in here as well. Kind of hard to eat though. Maybe if I use the chopsticks, it will be easier. Let's try this. There's a lot of people here on a Sunday afternoon. This place closes before noon. But yeah, look at all the people. I'm gonna get one of these pad thais because it looks delicious. It's only 45 baht. Could I have one pad thai with chicken? Pad thai guy?
It's pad thai and noodle, fried, chicken.
Okay, that sounds good.
You want to try?
Yes.
Try what?
With chicken, pad thai guy? Or
It's not like pad thai.
okay.
Like a fry.
That's okay. I'll take just one.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. So this is a different type of pad thai that's fried with noodles, and I look forward to trying something a little bit different. She's cooking it up right now, but I'm gonna keep exploring a little bit in the meantime. I'm eating this pad thai, sort of like pad see ew, but it's grilled and it's delicious. It's very good.
We call
A little bit.
ก๋วยเตี๋ยวคั่วไก่
Quick guy.
Yeah.
Here they're making sugar cane. Check this out. Put the sugar cane plant into this machine and it spits out the sugar cane. That's pretty cool. This sugar cane? Nice. What do we have here? Original. Hello.
Coconut pudding.
Yeah, I'll try one.
This one.
Original coconut milk.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's try this.
One.
Yes, just one. Should be 20 baht. 20 baht?
10 baht.
Okay.
Eat now or you eat?
I'll take it to go. Yeah. All right. Making a little video for YouTube.
Yeah.
This is the little cocoa pudding. Little cocoa pudding. Sounds delicious.
Okay. It's very
Yeah.
delicious.
Okay, I look forward to trying it.
Yeah.
Thank you. This guy will actually draw a caricature of you. Hello, Sweaty Cup. So I think that is that Ken Abroad right there? Looks like a picture of Ken Abroad. What's your name, sir? Oh, his name's O. He's an artist drawing here.
But if you like, I would like to present the portrait. Your portrait.
Yes.
Come.
So I just sit here, and he's gonna draw a picture of me.
It looks like John Lennon.
Like John Lennon?
Where are you from?
Wow, I take that as a compliment. America. Okay.
My king was born in Boston, Massachusetts. King Roman IX.
Oh, yeah.
He's the artist.
Should I remove my mask?
Yeah.
I'll take my mask off.
John Lennon.
Thanks so much.
Take this one.
Yeah.
Okay, don't move forward.
How long have you been painting? Doing the artwork?
Approximately almost 30 years.
30 years. Wow.
The number of persons that can maybe approximately maybe Almost 100,000.
100,000?
Or
Look at
maybe
this.
less than.
He's a true artist. He sits here and paints caricatures, portraits of people at the Coconut Plantation Market. That's great. Check it out. This is a portrait of me that the artist painted with charcoal pen, and the likeness is pretty good. I paid him 100 baht.
ตรงนี้มีทีมงานพร้อมไหมนะครับก็วันนี้
It's one of my favorite desserts in Thailand. This is the roti. You can get it with banana, Nutella, chocolate, and egg. It's delicious. Thanks so much for watching. I've been showing you around the Coconut Plantation Market right here in Chiang Mai. Highly recommend visiting this place when you get the chance, but you're going to want to make sure to come here early because they close at noon and they're only open Saturday, Sunday, and I think Tuesday as well. I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, beautiful place, lots of people, cheap, delicious food. I just ordered a pad thai, so I'm going to go back and get my pad thai. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for updates from Thailand. Take care, stay safe. Peace.